Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to connect headphone to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect, so guys you can connect it. And guys, now let's see how to connect headphone in Vivo phone. So let's see guys how to connect headphone to our Vivo phone. Guys, you have got the same headphone, so guys you can connect. And guys, doesn't matter guys, you have different type of headphone guys. We have guys same setting to connect and disconnect. So guys, click on guys net Bluetooth and device setting. Guys, click on your Bluetooth, and guys on your Bluetooth this right side, and guys click on new device, and guys on your headphone this button guys you have guys charger guys, you can charge. And guys this both button guys, last and first, volume button guys, down and up button, and guys this one guys power off button. So I will press, then guys you can see this blue light, so it means we have on this headphone. And guys refresh it, and guys now we have to wait for some seconds. So as you can see guys this bot, so as you will have to just click on guys your headphone name, then guys it will connect automatic in your Vivo phone. Guys you can see, and guys you want to check guys your headphone battery, so guys you can check from here guys. 70% guys I have my headphone battery. So as you can check your battery also in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect headphone to Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.